Hi everyone from the garden. I really wanted to share with you my nasturtium. It's going to get much bigger, by the way. So excited for this one. So the nasturtium plant, I don't know if you know this one, is an amazing plant. Absolutely beautiful colours, as you can see. Ooh. And they come in different colours like reds, yellows. But not only are they super pretty and lovely to have in your garden, but they're also completely edible. The best thing to go in salads. And I mean, if you can imagine, what a beautiful plate with these little beauties sitting on top of your salad. If you like rocket, kind of watercress and rocket, it's that type of flavour. It's quite peppery, I'd say more of a kick than rocket. The leaves are really peppery. The flowers also completely edible, also peppery, but almost like a slightly sweeter taste. And you can also eat the seeds. You may have heard of those as like poor man's capers. So as they get a bit older, great for pickling. But as new seeds, they're much softer and great just to eat. Or you could chop up and put in your salad also. So what an amazing plant this is. And so excited because my very first flowers have arrived. Now I could wait for many more flowers to decorate my salad more, but I'm super excited, and in fact I'm too excited, and I wanted to show you how this works. So these leaves here, I don't know if you can see these smaller ones, they're absolutely beautiful on a salad, nice, fresh and young. If you've never tried like edible flowers before, this is a perfect way to start. So to pick them, it's super easy. You can use scissors, of course, but they will come away very easily if you just pinch them with your fingers. So let's give that a go. You just take just the tips of your fingers, gently pinch, and they come away. And there you have a beautiful flower that is completely edible. My very first homegrown. Pop that in our little pot. Just going to take some of these smaller green leaves. Ooh. Pop that in our pot. These little beauties here. Beautiful. Going to look absolutely stunning on our plate. The other thing is you don't want to go too crazy taking too many leaves. This is quite a new plant and it's going to grow and grow. So very excited about that. But to allow it to grow happily, I don't want to be going crazy and taking too many leaves. We want it to be able to do its photosynthesis thing. Do you remember that at school? So it needs the greens, so it's okay for us to munch them, but we want to be munching them more and more. So we don't want to go too crazy and take too many. So we're just going to go in and take some of these smaller green leaves like this. Ooh. To take some of these this side. Beautiful. You can just take this one and that'll do for me. So that's probably enough for now because it's only a little salad for me, but I thought you might like to join me for lunch. So very simple to do, absolutely delicious. It's a beautiful plant to have in your garden, homegrown, edible, leaves and flowers and seeds. I mean, it doesn't get much more exciting than that, no? Let's go see how it's done. Come on. I just want to keep this really super simple. So I'm literally just going to have just a few shavings of carrot. One, because I just love carrot. But two, just to add to the beautiful colour of the salad. Just giving it a really sort of fresh, crunchy vibe, you know. Perfect. So we're just going to add in a little bit of spring onion. Oh, I love a little bit of spring onion, to be honest with you. And then just gonna take off a little bit of the green, more of the darker green for garnish on the top. Okay, lovely. And then I just want just a little bit of cucumber. I'm also gonna go for like a little bit of a crinkle cut. It's not obligatory, of course, just a normal cutting knife will do. And we just literally push down. And we end up with this nice chunky little fancy pants cucumber. Ooh. Nothing wrong with fancy pants every now and then. Okay, and then we have the bases of our salad and we're just going to put it all together. So we're just going to make a quick vinaigrette. I'm really into mustard with mine. Some nice fresh lemon juice. Give that a good squeeze. Just going to mix that together. Okay. So for me with a vinaigrette, I generally go for sort of a 3-part oil to 1 part maybe vinegar, lemon juice, etc. Oh, lovely. I'm just going to add just a touch of water just to help emulsify. Get that up. Oh, look at that, lovely. Add a little salt and pepper. And then just to finish it off, I'm just going to add, just going to get a few parsley and chive. but any fresh herbs you like. I mean, basil would also be amazing. Just a few little bits into our vinaigrette. We'll just have a few little extra bits to add on top of our salad. So as you can see, this is a super quick recipe to make and absolutely fabulous, right? I mean, if you just go into your garden of homegrown leaves and flowers that are now also edible, what a beautiful thing to do for lunch. I mean, that's the prep done already. It really is as simple as that. So I'm just going to bring in my lettuce that I have today. First of all, I'm just actually going to drizzle some of the vinaigrette over the leaves. Oh. And then I'm just going to start layering up my salad. So I've got my crinkle cut cucumbers, chunky spring onion. And then we just want to scatter around our lovely shavings of carrot. Oh, beautiful. Okay, at this point I just want to add some more of that vinaigrette all around the outsides. We're going for a sprinkling of capers. We have our green part of the spring onion, our remainder of our parsley and chives, and then this is it, people. Here we go. So we're just going to place around our beautiful green leaves. Beautiful. And last but definitely not least, our beautiful flowers. And there we have it. What do you think? Let's see if I can bring it up and show you here. For me, it's one of the most beautiful things to be able to grow your own. I mean, gardening is just a beautiful thing to do, right? And growing something that's edible also. I mean, that's just an absolute joy, isn't it? Well, I hope you love this one. Have just a wonderful day, and I hope you're getting out there in your garden. And even if you don't have a garden and you just have like a pot or two, I mean, that's just perfect, right? I mean, it just brings joy. Just thought I'd show you just how absolutely delicious these leaves are by just eating one. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. It's absolutely like a direction of Rocket. You know, if you love Rocket, but with a much bigger kick, it's absolutely divine. I can't even, it's like just got this natural spiciness to it, like a real peppery, spicy taste. It's absolutely phenomenal, just from like a leaf growing in my garden. And then if I can just explain to you this beautiful flower, give this a go too. I mean, look at it, it almost feels wrong to eat it. I think I'll manage. Again, it's absolutely, there's like, it's certainly at the end. So with the flower, you sort of start off and it's a little bit sweeter. Then just towards the end, you get this absolute kind of peppery kick that you just have to try it. What an absolute treat. Well, I'm so happy and so lucky. I feel so blessed to be able to share this with you. But to be honest, I think I've had enough of sharing it with you now because I'd like to eat. Till the next time. Bye, you guys.